Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to start with the topic of data transfer. How is data transferred in internet? So basically data are transferred in internet through packets. So let's discuss about it in a very simple language. Let's see what happens to a piece of data, say a web page, when it is transferred over the internet. The data is broken up into bits of small sized pieces called packets. So it is broken down into small sizes, and those sizes are known as packets. And a header is attached to the each packet, explaining where the data has come from, where it should end up, and where it fits in with the rest of the packets. So what basically happens is the data is broken down into small sizes of packets, and each packet has a header attached to it, which gives the information where the data has come from, where it is supposed to go, and where it fits with the rest of the packets. And each packet is sent from a computer to computer until it finds its destination. So it travels from computer to computer unless and until it finds its destination. Each computer on the way decides where the next to send the packet. So on the way it also decides where to send the next packet. While searching for the current packet, it also decides where to send the next packet. All packets may not take the same route. At the destination, the packets are examined. If any packets are missing or damaged, a message is sent asking for them to be resent. So let's say you are sending a mail and the mail bounces back. So then it bounces back because it is missing a packet, and that is then you receive a message. You being the sender, you receive a message that the mail could not be delivered because so and so and reason. So that is basically due to the missing packet. Then the packets are now reassembled into their original form. All these are done in seconds, in a fraction of seconds. To access the internet, you need to have an active internet connection. You need to gather and understand your requirement carefully before subscribing to an internet connection plan. In this exercise, you will see how to learn. You will learn how to choose an internet connection. So some of the common questions that help you in this decision are: what is the purpose of getting this connection? How will you use this connection? Will you use this connection regularly? How much data will be downloaded on average per month? So basically, while selecting an internet connection, these all data transfer speed and data transfer accessibility depends on your internet connection, the type of internet connection you have. So while selecting internet connection, you need to be very curious about few questions. What is the purpose of getting this connection? It's for research purpose, so the internet speed has to be fast. If you want to conduct more of video conferencing, so you need to have, again, the speed has to be on that wavelength, and the purpose of the connectivity has to be very regular and very strong, so that there is no breakage. And how much data will be downloaded? So if you are more of a internet buffer or internet buff, so you download a lot of stuff like movies, audio files, and documents, thesis papers and everything. So depending on your download limit, how much speed you need a 1 Mbps, 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps, 500 Mbps. So accordingly, what technology is available in your particular area, like area to area, as I told you, local area network and LAN and WAN, local area and wide area network. What are different plans available from the internet service provider? Is there any limitation or catch for the selected plan? So these are the basic ways in which you can select your internet plan. So now let's see. To access your Wi-Fi, you need to have an access point with an active internet connection. Usually when you subscribe to an internet connection, the SP provides options to purchase or rent a Wi-Fi router. So what happens is, when you opt for a internet connection, the internet service provider gives you an option either to rent a router or buy a router. So router is basically, as we discussed, router or the modem is basically converts the digital signal analog signal. We have discussed it already. So the SP provider gives you an option to purchase or rent a Wi-Fi router that can act as both the internet connected device and an access point for Wi-Fi connectivity. Setting up an Wi-Fi network requires technical expertise. However, you can access the Wi-Fi network by connecting to an access point that is already set up for use. On computers that can run Windows XP, you can view a list of wireless networks available. So you can on Windows XP also, if you go to your internet options and then the connect internet options, then you see the most available and wireless network connections or LAN that the system has been connected to, or wireless network available in the nearest areas. So these are the options or the path you can see: view available wireless networks, and then it will show you the list of the wireless network available in your area, in your nearby area. So with this, we are done with the session 3, that is networking. So in the next chapter, in the next session, we'll start with instant messaging, how to do instant messaging using different messaging portals like Gtalk or Yahoo, Ymail, and everything.